Hey, Mr. Man.
Hey.
What up, dude?
Good. How you doing? Yes. I hope so. Why?
They asked me I rejuvenate every time you kiss this. It can't get no better, not even in a fantasy. Don't stop, we can do it in a canopy.
I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna make you.
She's sexy, she's crazy, she wanna have my baby. Every time I'm around her, she always make my eyes go so lazy. Wherever she goes, how she moves, she always gets me in the groove. I will tell you something now, girl, I have really nothing to prove. Before you stand and go away, you're gonna stick around and listen what I have to say. You are like a dream to me, the best surprise anyone can have. I never felt so free. Before you stand and go away, you're gonna stick around and listen what I have to say. You are a dream to me, the best surprise anyone can have. I never felt so free.
You are all that one line that you do that's really cool.
Yeah.
And then your main. I would start with that and then my main. Let's go with those few vocals and then
Your main as well, like.
Don't put no.
Oh, okay.
So you would sing your main live.
Mm-hmm.
And then you could have the you are.
Yeah.
And then Henry's got his one line running.
Yeah.
If you want to run your main and sing with your main, I think that would be fine.
Yeah.
Because you like to have two vocals.
Yeah.
So it would be your main running with Henry's bottom line running, and then your other harmony, the you are harmony.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I would try for this.
Yeah.
Let's start there, and then I'll sing the top.
Okay.
Because I think that will make a lot of room in the midsection where you're talking about.